Hello, thank you. I'm so happy that you could join me today for your crown chakra reading for the week. I do a different chakra each day of the week, and then we move through them on a weekly basis so that we can keep attuning our chakras. This is for the actual crown chakra itself, and then this is from the divine chakra. And I bring in extra cards to assist the mundane chakra so that they can evolve and ascend beyond what we are familiar with for them. So this chakra traditionally is really about connecting to the higher realms and our ability to receive information that we can then permeate throughout our daily existence here. Let's see what would like to come through. I know it's been kind of thematic for this week, but I guess I'm just going to keep going with it because I'm getting the message to speak on this is that, again, something with the feminine energy, like there is an acknowledgement that it's part of a trinity. It's part of the creative process, that we need the masculine and the feminine, and that together those two energies are able to birth something new. And I see like the feminine is really kind of wore thin, as I've been saying throughout this week, a little bit dismissed. I get a sense that this energy is sort of tired of fighting for its voice and trying to be heard, trying to be assertive, trying to be treated as equal. And it's almost like she's holding to her heart saying, this is, do we like this? Do we like these things? Because without me, without this energy, we no longer have this. We no longer, like the flowers will wilt. We can't have that anymore as a society. So if we want our society to flower, and we want ultimate expressions of beauty and love and joy, and to be able to have abundance and proliferate, can I be acknowledged? Can I be part of this holy trinity? Can I have my equal placement in it? This is not a, triangle that is meant to be seen as like, a lopsided thing where one part is way heavier than the other. So that's what I'm getting there. And then this for me is just like showing the way. It's like the confirmation of, no, you're not this. You are actually this. This is the energy. And here she is holding the flower near her heart. And it's just filled with, light energy, divinity. And because of that, because she is revered and respected so much and given her place, she is able to bestow so much glory and beauty and harmony. I mean, I love that this is coming out during our Libra season as well, because this is such a fantastic expression of our Libra energy. And I was saying earlier this week too that a lot of this feminine energy may be coming out because we're in this Libra season, and it has so much to do with the divine goddess, the divine empress type of energy here. So to have this as really like the ultimate card of the week, the crowning card, to me is just total confirmation that yes, that this energy is the key component, along with a balance of masculine energy, for our true harmony in this reality, and for creating, to be able to regenerate, to be able to have the cycles of life, to be able to, renew and be full in that too, not just sort of like dealing with scarcity and being worn thin. And when we don't acknowledge the feminine, this is the state, we may still have some feminine energy around, but it's so lackluster, it's so deprived, and our arts are deprived, and just, our expressions of things that may not be super logical and super critical, if they're not there, if the presence of emotions aren't there in life, it becomes withered and dull and lackluster. And, then what's the purpose? What are we really achieving if we can't have the fullness of our reality anymore? So that's the message I have for you. I appreciate you joining me, and tomorrow we will begin the cycle again with the root chakra. You guys take care.